How's it going, everybody? We're still waiting on stuff to finalize with the house, but we've got a couple projects that Marsha's been trying to get me to do for how long?
6-7 months.
It's probably been at least a year. She bought this sticker that she's gonna put on and paint and whatever. So we're just gonna build a frame for it. So I'll kind of show you guys how we do that. Okay, so we had to run to the wood store, local Home Depot, to grab a piece of wood for the frame. I got it all put together and there were just some knots, rounded edges, and Mars doesn't want the rounded edges. So we're just gonna grab a piece of squared off 1x2. Or do you want it a little bit thicker? Do you want that thick or not thick? Or we can go the next size.
Well, that's good, but I don't want so many knots.
That one work?
We found. Look at those nice corners.
Yeah, that'll do. Alright, we're gonna take this, cut it up, and I'll show you guys how we put it together. Oh, we gotta get a paintbrush. Just need one of these cheap ones. I'll get 2 of them just in case. Okay, so I finished cutting all the boards. Now Mars is going to paint them. So she's doing the background white and then the letters black or something, or what?
Like a gray black color, yeah.
And then the frame is going to be stained grayish.
Brown.
Brown. It's going to be stained brown.
The crappiest paintbrush you can find at Home Depot.
Okay, what stain do we got?
We have,
Dark Walnut by Bear.
yeah, it's what we bought for our kitchen table. We did not like it, but we forgot to take it back.
Just put it on thick and then we can wipe it off. Okay, how's it looking?
So I wiped it all off and decided I wanted it a little bit darker. So I'm not going to cut.
Let me show you guys the back of it. Here it is. So those two should go together. What color are you gonna paint the letters?
I was going to do like a dark gray, like gray almost black.
Okay. So that stuff's pretty easy. You put it on, let it sit. The longer it sits, the darker it gets, or you can do multiple coats or whatever.
So after trying like 3 or 4 different stains on it, we finally decided to go with this one. It'll be just a little bit lighter because we'll wipe it off. But here you can see the first stain, like, and then the third stain, and then this stain. So Crandall is going to plane the board for us now. Hopefully it doesn't wake up Mav. So Crandall asked me at Home Depot if I wanted this thick of board. And I said yes, because don't you like the thickness of this board? Well, I didn't know he meant thickness this way, width-wise, so now he's mad because I'm gonna make him cut it so that it looks like this board, which we can't have this board because it's his dad's board. So now he has to cut it and then I have to reseal it, and Crandall's making this harder than it should have been.
So basically, we've had to redo this 3 times. I'll show you guys the first version, and now we're on to the second and third version. But hey, we're gonna get it eventually. Well, you know what they say, third time tries the charm. So this is the first one that we tried to do, and I just cut everything way off. Didn't work. These boards, lots of knots, rounded edges, wasn't what we wanted. The stain color we first picked was awful. So now we're on to like the second color of stain, third piece of wood. We just cut this down so that it was the right width. And so now we've got the frame. We're gonna cut this piece up, make the new frame, put it all together. Okay, so I laid this is the back of it, on here and just marked it with a pencil so that way I know where the glue line is gonna be. Okay, so there's a couple different glues you can use. You can use this Type Bond premium wood glue. This stuff works really good. I've used it quite a bit. But I had some extra epoxy laying around, so I said, hey, let's just use that because it'll dry a lot quicker than the other stuff. So I'm gonna mix that up and we're gonna put that on. Okay, so we went around and just put a couple of nails in each of the corner to hold them together. Now we're gonna just lay this on here and tack it down. And there it is. So we'll have Mars come paint the letters on it and we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done.
Ta-da! It's finished.
It turned out really good. I really like it.
So that's the back. This is the front. It took forever, way longer than any of us would have liked, but we think it looks pretty good. So why we chose this, I've Never Known a Love Like This, is the Ben Rector song. It was kind of a nice song we had for our wedding video. So it kind of is significant for us that way. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Like it if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye!